Hi, my name is Nolan with Christmas Light Central Texas and Deep in the Heart Outdoor Services. Remember this, you've come this far because you absolutely love Christmas just like we do. Because if you are someone who just likes Christmas, then we are probably not the company for you. I would like to take the time to say thanks for you taking the time to make an appointment with us. We realize that a lot of people typically have the same exact questions, so we decided to make it easy to get the answers that you want. We made this and other short videos to help you get some of your questions answered during our design process. But first, let me tell you real quick about us. We started our business in 2020 with Christmas light installation. Our mission is to be a light in the world of just a little bit of darkness. Our three values are JAC, joy, authenticity, customer service. We strive to share in the moments of joy with you while being authentic to our mission in business, also while serving with the customer for the best customer service. We use the highest quality products, the best customer care, and serve with a smile on our face. This is our service promise to you. So in order to make the most of the bidding process, we want to just go over a few things that will help you in making the absolute right decision for your home this Christmas. The bid itself can take up to 48 hours to complete, as our CHOs, or our Chief Heart Officers, design your home decoration packages from the ground up. After we send you over our three options, you may accept one of the designs that we propose or ask for any modification to the packages. We will calculate the total cost of the project on the spot so you don't have to wait. And if you're ready to move forward, we can even get you on the schedule so you don't have to worry about Christmas anymore. We are so grateful for this opportunity to meet with you, and we look forward to earning your business. Please check your email for the next video where we discuss how long a typical project takes to install and what is involved with the installation. We are really excited about having you join our growing customer list in Central Texas. Please head to the next link in email 2 to view video number 2.